How to remove objects from photos on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Gallery app. After click on Gallery app, select image from here. After select image, click on this edit icon. After click on this edit icon, click on this icon. If you want to remove object from the photo, just click and hold on object and click on this erase icon. So you will see object is erased. And click on this option. After the process, click on this three dot icon and click on add from gallery. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can remove object from the photos on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.